Hi everyone, this is John from TBI Pro, and today we're going to take a look at wireless Bluetooth earbuds, a few of the current models available, and compare them and decide which ones have the best features and maybe best bang for the buck. Really, that is what it comes down to, right? We're going to compare the AirPods from Apple, the AirPros from TBI Pro, and the T16s from Letscom. So, getting into each of these three here. Let's see what we have. Not an official unboxing, but let's find out what they give us. They're all very similar with the charging cases, the manuals, and so on. Okay. Okay. The first thing I notice about all three is they're very similar in their look and their feel. Very stylish, very sleek. They all open and close very similarly. The T16 model is a little larger than the others. I don't know why. A little taller, a little thicker. But they all do slide nicely in and out of pockets, in and out of backpacks. The right contours and the right feel. Okay. The earbuds themselves, also, I must say, very similar. We'll get to the differences in a moment, which is the good part of this. But similarly, they do fit and feel exactly right, exactly as intended. And there is no problem with any kind of movements. It's comfortable. After you have them in for a short time, you actually don't realize you have them in. You could be on the phone for a half hour or watching something for an hour, and you wouldn't even realize it. This becomes a little bit of a weird feeling. So they're that comfortable. All of them are like that. When it comes to comparing their features and their performance, they're all very similar. They all do hold phone calls just fine. Voices are clear and crisp. Watching or listening to anything, movie and audio and video clips, all crystal clear. And they all advertise up to about 30 feet of range, also true and consistent among all three. After 30 feet, you do get some drops in the signals and it becomes annoying, but you could use them if you had to. So for anything near your phone, near your computer, however you're going to be set up, in your car, near the source, you're fine. All of them perform perfectly well. So what makes them different and why might I choose one over the other? The first thing, the biggest thing, well, these Apple ones, they're around what, $150? The TBI Pros, they're about $39.95. That's right now. They can be between $30 and $40 over different times. And the T16s, they're between $20 and $30, depending on a couple of color choices and whether or not you get free shipping. So $20 or $30, 30 some dollars, or $150. Are they really worth it? They perform exactly the same, but there are 5 different features that I observed with the TBI Pro product that tells me the AirPros are probably the one to go with. Number 1, as we notice, it has the display. So I have 89% remaining on my charge case. And then the icons above that tell me that my batteries are charging and that they're both charged. The other guys use an LED. For example, Apple has green or orange, a very small LED point. It isn't showing there, but it will. And that tells you whether it's fully charged or not fully charged. What does not fully charged mean? Am I 95% good? Am I 5% good? Am I 50? I don't know. With the AirPros, I know. I know whether I can leave the house and whether I'll be good all day. That feature, number 1. Number 2, the battery life, which is the second most important thing, I think, after functionality, which is all basically the same, or performance. Battery life is the highest with the AirPros. You can get up to 30 hours with a full case charged and multiple uses of the earbuds. You only get about 24 hours with the AirPods, and you only get about 20 hours with the T16. The TBI Pro batteries are actually 1/3 larger, both in the earbuds and in the case. The third thing is TBI Pro uses a USB-C. So, for those of you that don't know, the connection is just a little different than the current micro USB. And what does this mean for you? It means you're a little bit ahead of the curve for the newer technology. It'll be more and more present as we go forward. But in a practical sense, it means a faster charge. It's that simple. These two devices both charge in 1 hour for the case, but you get 1/3 more of the power in this one than you do in the other one. you get the same charge, or you get this for the same time, you get a larger charge. It's a faster charge. So the USB-C. The fourth feature that I like, which is a small one, but a handy one, the top and bottom are actually flattened on the TBI Pro design, and you can set it on your desk like that if you want. So what that means is, if I want it over here and not laying down, if I'm a little bit of a neat freak, if I like the display facing me, I get that. With the other guys, they're like eggs. They're, you put them on a side and they fall over. They have to lay on their backs. TBI Pro gives you the option. I can lay it down, or I can stand it up. The fifth thing, which is also a good one, you notice when we open up the T16 from Letscom, we get a 1-year warranty. No problem with that, right? Pretty standard. With Apple, we get a 1-year warranty. It's in here somewhere. The text is very hard to see, but believe me, in there somewhere you find Apple has a 1-year warranty. Look what I get when I open up TBI Pros. Are you kidding me? 5 years. That alone has to have me wanting to take a chance on a product, and there's nothing that's apparently bad about the product. I'm already willing to try it. Now you're going to tell me you have a 5-year warranty on a tech product? That seals it. So for $30 to $40, for 1/4, 1/5 of the price of the AirPods, I get more features, I get a 5-year warranty, I get crystal clear signals when I talk, when I listen, when I watch anything. This is it. It's the TBI Pro. All right, that wraps it up for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found any of this interesting and useful. Would appreciate it. There's more information in the links below the video. And also, if you have anything to say, if you want to ask questions or leave comments, we'd be happy to read them. I promise to be back soon with another interesting product and some reviews and useful information for you. Until then, have a wonderful day.